Alright guys, so today's video is sanding, a little bit of prep, and then primer sprayed, getting everything ready for paint. Turns out I also lost all of the paint footage. So after today's video, we'll end off with the primer being done. The next video next week will be just some random footage that I found throughout the way, a couple pictures here and there, and then some test drive footage. And then we'll wrap all of that up with some pictures of the car completely done and ready to go. Thanks. Hope you enjoy. Successful day. Some sanding done. A little less than half the car. I'll get around to finishing it up here soon. I've got my little helper with me. He's working on his truck. And that's all we got for today.
You did highlight it.
The car is almost completely sanded now. I've done everything I can with the DA. I've just got some small spots that I have to hit by hand. start wiping that down and at least going over some of these bigger spots with a skim coat. Yesterday, I patched up a couple small holes. One there, one there, one there that needs a little more, and one there. That's really the only big patches this car needed other than the floor repair that I did earlier. Everything seems to have sprayed down all right. Let this sit and dry overnight. Come out and do a little bit of sanding tomorrow.